Introducing the 2025 Ford Puma Titanium 5D 1.0T 125 Mhev in sleek black. This versatile MPV is packed with features like air conditioning, satellite navigation, and collision avoidance braking for maximum safety and comfort. With a luxurious interior and top-notch security features, you can drive with peace of mind. The chrome package and spoiler add a touch of style to this already impressive vehicle. Rest assured, this car has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specifications, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this fantastic opportunity. Call us or visit spiritmotorgroup.ie for more information today.